Hello everyone and good morning everyone and welcome to Chauhan Management classes. And now today I have studied administrative management. This is a topic under the classical approach. Thought of classical approach management approach. Last class I have discussed. I have studied scientific management. Scientific management given by F.W. Taylor. Scientific management has a father of the Frederick Winslow Taylor. Or today I have a study a discuss a read a administrative management. Administrative management was given a Henry Fayol. Given a Henry Fayol या contributed the Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol was a major contributed. Henry Fayol was a major contributor of administrative management approach. Henry Fayol was a major contributor of administrative approach. Henry Fayol was a French industrialist. Henry Fayol was a French industrialist, and he has work as a coal mines company, French coal mines company, as a work as a job profile as a managing director in a coal mines company in French. Coal mines company in French. He was a French industrialist, and he was a Henry Fayol was a mining engineer. Henry Fayol was a mining engineer and work as the profile of the managing director in coal mines company in French. And Henry Fayol has been regarded. Henry Fayol has been regarded as the real father of modern management. Henry Fayol has a regarded as a real father of modern management. Henry Fayol has a regarded as a Henry Fayol has regarded the real father of modern management. And now Henry Fayol divided the activities in under industrial into six. Henry Fayol divided the industrial activities. Henry Fayol divided the industrial activities into six group as a technical and commercial and technical, commercial, security, accounting, financial, and managing activities. Henry Fayol divided the industrial activities into a six group under a six group as a technical, commercial, financial, security, accounting, and managing. This is a six activities who divided the industrial activities divided the Henry Fayol. And now come to the point 14 principle of management. Henry Fayol given a 14 principle of management. This is a most important point. Henry Fayol has formulated the 14 principle of administrative management. Henry Fayol was a real father of modern management. Henry Fayol was a real father of modern management, and he has given a 14 principle of modern management. He has given a 14 principle of the management. 14 principle is a division of labor, parity of authority and responsibility, and discipline, and next unity of command, and direction, unity of direction, next unity of direction, next subordination of individual interest of organizational structure, subordination of individual interest of organizational structure. Then after that, fair remuneration to employ, fair remuneration to employ, fair remuneration to employ, fair remuneration remuneration माने होता है भत्ता, fair remuneration of employee. Next, centralization and decentralization, and next scalar chain, next order, next equity, next stability of tenure, next initiative, and next split the corp. So this is a 14 principle of the modern management जो given a Henry Fayol. I have repeated this again. Division of labor, parity of authority and responsibility, discipline, next unity of command and unity of direction, next subordination of individual interest, of organizational structure, next fair remuneration to employ, next centralization and decentralization, centralization and decentralization. Next, scalar chain. Next is scalar chain, and next equity. Next equity. Next stability of tenure. Stability of tenure. Next initiative. Next spread the curve. Next class I have discussed full brief discuss. This is a 14 principle. Now come to the point of the features of the administrative management. Features of the administrative management. So three types of feature of administrative management who given a Henry Fayol. First of all, formalize administrative structure. Formalize administrative structure. First feature is a formalized administrative structure, and next division of labor, and next delegation of power and authority, and now come to the function of the administrative management. Function of the management or administrative management who given a Henry Fayol. Planning, organizing, command, plan, organization, command, coordinate, and control. This is a administrative management function who given a Henry Fayol. I have repeated again: plan, organization, command, coordination, and control. This is a function of administrative management. And now come to the last point is a criticism of the administrative management. Criticism of the administrative management. So not applicable. First one is the criticism is the not applicable of the dynamic organizational structure. Not applicable dynamic organizational structure, and inapplicability of the scalar chain. Inapplicability of the scalar chain. And next, not applicable of the division of labor. Not applicable of the division of labor. And next, not applicable to a open system organization. Not applicable to a open organizational system. And next point next class I will discuss the bureaucracy of management approach. This is a bureaucracy who given a Max Weber. So next class I will discuss the bureaucracy approach. Thank you everyone.